Hi everybody, this is the tutorial for Emerald Eye. My name's Billy from Piano and Pies. Let's get stuck straight in. We're in standard tuning for this song, and in order to play it the easiest way possible, we need a capo on the 4th fret. And what we'll do to begin with is break down the opening part of the song, which is the first verse, and we have 3 chords to play. The first one is an A minor, which is an open A, 2-2 on the D and G. These numbers are in reference to the capo. 1 on the B, and an open E. I will break down the strumming and structure in a moment, but let's get through the other 2 chords we need. One of which is an F major, 3 on the D, 2 on the G, 1 on the B and E. And the other chord we need is a G major, 3 on the E, 2 on the A, 0, 0, 0, and then a 3 on the high E. If you're familiar with G major that includes 3 on the B string, feel free to use it. It's just 2 different voicings of the same chord. Now, during the first verse, which is what really starts the song, the guitar's really quiet, and what we can do is play A minor like this. And that is 2 bars worth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. And I'm palm muting that, which is just where I take this part of the hand, rest it lightly on the strings to get that palm muted sound. I then have a quick change from F to G. So that's 2 beats each, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a full bar of A minor. So all together that first verse sounds like this. If you play that round 2 times in a row, you get the full first verse. We then carry on the palm muted part into the pre-chorus, and the pre-chorus continues with F major, but it brings in a new chord. So it is worth mentioning that if you'd like the chord chart for this song, which is the full structure and all the chords are within that structure, as well as another sheet of the chords and lyrics matched up, let's say you're singing or playing along and you need to know which chord and which lyric go together, then head on over to Patreon. I've got you covered. For the price of a coffee, you get access to not only this song, but well over 900 songs of all the latest releases, including a bunch of Alex's songs as well. However, let's delve in with that pre-chorus, which is 2 bars of F. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then E7. And that's going to be 1 bar of E7, and then we let it ring out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And to play E7, we have an open E string, 2 on the A, open D, 1 on the G, 0, 0 on the B and E. So I'll put that full pre-chorus together so you can see how this fits together. We have F, E7. The next part of the song is the chorus, where again we've got some new chords and a new order of chords. And we start off with D minor, which is an open D, 2 on the G, 3 on the B, 1 on the high E. And what we do is we go from D minor to F major. Then A minor to C. Now C major is another new chord for us, so C is 3 on the A, 2 on the D, open G, 1 on the B, and an open E. Now what we do, we jump early to the 2nd and the 4th chord, which is F and C. It's what we call anticipation in music, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully you could hear I was pushing early to F and the C chord there. And in terms of strumming, you can go a few ways about it. The way I'm playing it is down, 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 up, and then an up for that next chord. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. I'll do that again slowly. So you play that rhythm on the D minor to F, as well as the F to the C chord. You're going to play that through 3 times for the chorus, but on that 3rd time round, when you get to C, we have a stab, a musical stab, where we cut off the sound. Here's an example. 2, 3, 4. At this point, we start to get a bit of repetition. Looking over to the notes, which is what I've put over on Patreon, there is a second verse. The second verse is the same as the first. As a reminder, that is the A minor for 2 bars, then the F to G, and A minor. That will be around 2 times for the second verse. There is then another pre-chorus, that's the F and then the E7 chord, same as usual. And then another chorus. This time though, it's 3 times round the chords, and then the 4th time round, that's when you'll stab that C chord where you cut it off early. We then get to the bridge, but the bridge is the same chords as the chorus. So D minor to F, A minor to C. We'll loop that round 2 times before the next part of the song, which is a chorus, and this chorus is slightly different to the other choruses. At this point, we have 2 bars of nothing. Vocals and a few other instruments are playing, but we do nothing. So there'll be, instead of D minor to F, we play nothing, and then it goes into the A minor C. After that, you just keep looping the chords round over and over until you get to the end of the song. So there we go. That's everything you need to get through this song. If you found it useful, please do like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel, getting slowly closer to 10,000 subscribers. And also, I want to say a quick thanks to the people floating by on the screen who are my active patrons. So when this video goes live, they'll get access to that content straight away. So thanks to them, and thanks to you for watching. Catch you in the next one.